Hello friends and family, welcome back to my channel. I'm Georgina. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how I cook my Bambara beans, and it's so delicious. In Ghana we call this aboboy. It's normally eaten with ripe fried plantain, and it's so delicious. Today I decided to share with you. Let's get started. So this is the Bambara beans that I'll use. It's around 500 grams. So that I'll add in water and soak it for 4 hours. Overnight is even better. I'll then transfer it into my saucepan, close it and let it cook. This beans is very hard, very extremely hard. So when you soak it overnight, it helps, and then it take less time for cooking. But I didn't have that much time, so I soaked mine for 4 hours. After I cook it for 1 hour, by then it was halfway cooked, and then I added in onion and then chili pepper. So after it's done cooking, I'll take out the onion and then the chili pepper. I'll grind it until smooth and then add it to it. I'll stir this and then cover it and let it cook again. So we're going to cook this until it's tender, until the liquid turns creamy, and then until it's cooked. I'll set that aside and move to the plantain. So I left some of the pepper and the onion that I grinded, and then I added in ginger, chopped ginger. I'll then go ahead and peel the plantain. So you're looking for a ripe plantain like this. It should be very ripe, just like so. And then I'll chop it into smaller pieces. I'll grind it until it's smooth. Few lumps is okay, and then I'll fry it later. So I didn't add the plantain all at once. This is about 3 plantains. I added one, grind, another one, grind until it's all smooth, just like so. I'll go ahead and add in flour, chili powder and salt. I tasted, and then the pepper was not hot enough, so I added in chili powder. That's why I added in the chili powder. I'll grind it or mix this together till smooth and then set it aside. So after, I'll come back to check the Bambara beans, what is going on in there. As you can see, the liquid is getting thicker here, so I'll stir it again, cover it and set it aside and let it cook again. This Bambara beans needs time for cooking, so trust me, if you don't have time, don't cook it, because it needs time. I'll then go ahead and add in brown sugar. You can use white sugar, of course, and then salt. So when you get to this point, it's cooked, but then I want mine more tender, so I'll let it cook for about 15 minutes again, and then it's ready. Just look at this amazing Bambara beans. It's very nice, but it needs time for cooking. And when you get to this point, see how it easily breaks up. That means it's ready. And trust me, this is very delicious. Oh, I love this food. I'll go ahead and fry the pancake. So I'll use a scone cutter to have it in a round shape. But I realized my scone cutter, if you're using the metal one, that's fine, but in a plastic one like this, I don't advise you to use it because it will get melt. So even me, when I was doing it, I took it off and then I used a spoon to just make it in a round shape. It shouldn't be perfect, that's okay, that's fine. So scoop about 2 tablespoons in, and then make sure you use a spoon to make it in a round shape. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or 4 minutes on both sides, or until you see it's cooked. And that's all. That's the ripe plantain pancake. It's very easy doing this, and it's also ready. So let's serve this amazing food. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and if you're a Ghanaian, please help share. Let the world know much about Ghanaian's recipe. Thanks for watching once again. Bye bye.